came down from the hill, eyes like the sunrise, heart calm and still. He don't bark at strangers, just wags and grins, knows where the trail ends and the truth begins. Roll on, Bodhi, through the cedar and sage, chewing on sticks like a poet on a page. Lay in the grass, chase the wheel of the moon, old soul in fur, chasing sun at noon. He don't chase no cars, don't beg for no meat. He'd rather nap barefoot at your dusty feet. Kids think he's magic, old men agree. He once howled a thunderstorm into the sea. Roll on, Bodhi, through the canyon and mist. Every pawprint's a riddle the earth never missed. Sleep in the sun, dream of stars on the run. Be pure wind, pure joy, pure wanderin sun. Last time I saw him, sprawled in the shade, red collar shining, Buddha charm swayed. No plans to roam, no need to roam far, just chasing the breeze beneath evening stars. Roll on, Bodhi, where the wild things play. No worries, free spirit, just the mill